Hey friends, in this video I will show you how we can install the Active Directory Certificate Service role in Windows Server 2022. This is Windows Server 2022 and this server is the member of infoilias.local domain, and we will install the Active Directory Certificate Service role via Server Manager dashboard. So I'm going to open the Server Manager dashboard and we'll click on the add roles and features. This is the way which you can use to install the roles and features in Windows Server. Similarly, you can also do the same in Windows Server 2022 as well. Now click on the next. This is a default page. When you click on the add roles and features, you will see this page. From this page you can select the roles which you require to install on this server. Now click on the next. Here you can see role based or feature based installation. Basically I am just going to install on this server by adding roles, services and features. So I'm just selecting this on a single server. Now click on the next. Select a server from the server pool. If you have created any server pool, so you can select any one of the servers from this server pool, but because this is the default server pool, so which I am going to select this server. Now I will click on the next. Now you can see these roles are visible in Windows Server 2022. Here you can select any one of them which you require to install in your infrastructure, but as of now we will install the Active Directory Certificate Service, so I need to put the check over here. So once you select, this is just showing the features which is also required for certificate services. So I will click on the add features. Now you can see the Active Directory Certificate Services is selected, and you can see that description part. Here you can see what is the use of the Active Directory Certificate Service. Basically this is a service role which is used to manage the certificates and issue the certificates in your infrastructure for various kind of applications, including like IIS or some other services as well, like for BitLocker, BitLocker recovery agent as well. So these all can be possible through the Active Directory Certificate Services role. So now I will click on the next. There is no any dependency over here as of now, so I will click on the next. Now it is just asking to confirm for the certificate infrastructure, so I will click on the next. Now see, there are the few different type of role services which is based on the Active Directory Certificate Service roles are available. So by default this is selected certificate authority. Basically certificate authority is used to issue and manage certificates in your infrastructure. Now certificate authority just selected, and I will just click on the next, because we will install later these all features and services and will discuss in the later video. So now I will select on the next and clicking on the next. So I always recommend you, whenever you are installing any roles and features in Windows Server, so you always select this option. So in case if any reboot is required, so this will reboot automatically, and click on yes. Now click on the install, and installation has been begun, and we need to wait for a while. Post installation of the certificate server roles on Windows 2022, you need to also configure the services, including like what kind of the name and what are the distinguished name for your certificate servers will be. So these all will be configured by clicking on this option. So in the next video we will configure the Active Directory Certificate Service on the destination server, where we have installed the roles for Active Directory Certificate Service. Thank you for watching this video.